Hello everyone, welcome back to TixJams. Did the back button disable from your Android phone? If your phone is using gesture navigation and you want to bring back the classic navigation buttons, don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get the back, home, and the Synapse button back. Make sure you watch until end because there are a couple of useful settings you might want to change as well. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Display. Now, scroll down again and select Navigation bar. Here, you will see two navigation options. If swipe gesture is currently selected, that's why the navigation buttons are missing. Simply select buttons and instead. After a second, the back, home, and the Synapse buttons will immediately appear at the bottom of your screen. If you prefer a different button layout, you can also change the button order on this page. For example, you can move the back button to the left or the right, depending on which layout feels more comfortable for you. If you don't see the navigation bar option at all, it may be located in a different place, depending on your phone brand or Android version. In that case, simply use the search bar at the top of the Settings app and search for navigation or navigation bar or system navigation. That should take you directly to the correct settings. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TixJams, and I will see you in the next video.